if you have seen this properly, so I'll off the camera and we'll do the activity. The name, chord is having the name LM, diameter is having the name QR. You can give your choice name. Okay. So here first circle with the radius of 2 centimeter, showing the chord diameter and radius. Then next is obtuse angle with the measurement 120 degree. Then next interior points. Okay, circle with the interior point. Then next parallel lines. Then 3 centimeter radius circle, and the last acute angle with the measurement 50 degrees. 50 degree. Okay. So I hope everyone have completed. Kanishka, what is last? Last one is the draw a circle with the radius 2 centimeter and show the diameter, chord and radius. I hope everyone is cutting and sticking it. It's a 12:50. Sumit mother is helping, I think, Sumit. Why you are not doing? Come on, do it fast. Very good, Shardul. Very good, Farhan. Those who have doubt, please ask in the chat. Come on, Pratiti, do it fast. Tanisha, on your webcam. Good. Very good, Kimai. Very good. Earth building. Earth, let I am seeing. Earth, but I am not able to see it because you on the orange color you have drawn with the pencil. Can you use sketch pen for it? अगर आप उसके ऊपर स्केच पेन से आउटलाइन करते हो तो वो क्लियर दिखेगा बेटा. I hope everyone's over. It's at 12:50. हो गया होगा. Teacher, someone entered from the Saint Anthony. Can you please check?
From third CD, someone has entered.
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher. Come on, Arnav, do fast. Okay. Do fast. We are having last 10 minutes. So I want to see your activity. Do it fast. This is the activity of the geometric figure showing the angles and circles. Chapter number, it is activity based on the chapter number 6 and 7. Chapter number 6 is angle. Chapter number 7 is circle. Obtuse angle, Ganesh. Last angle is the obtuse angle. Acute angle is given 50 degree and second obtuse angle is given 120 degree. I hope now you will stick completely. And now keep the camera on your activity. आपने जो बनाया है उसके ऊपर आपका कैमरा पकड़ो. I hope everyone has completed this. One more minute. After that, you will show me the activity. Okay. First, parallel line. Second, circle with the 3 centimeter radius. Third, acute angle with the measurement 50 degree. Fourth, interior points. Fifth, obtuse angle with the 120 degree. And the last, 2 centimeter radius circle showing chord diameter and radius. Okay. Now don't hold the activity in your hand. What you will do, you will keep the whatever you have made on the ground or on your bed or table. जहाँ पे आप लोग बैठे हो वहाँ पे plain surface पे रख दो and hold your camera on it. Okay. And now everyone will open the camera. Otherwise, in the next lecture, I am not going to admit you. मैं आपको नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में फिर लेने वाली नहीं. वेरी गुड विदिशा, वेरी गुड, नाइस. जो आप वेब कैमरा ऑन नहीं करेगा वो नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में नहीं आएगा. चारुल, ओ नो. चलो ऑन करो फटाफट कैमरा सब लोग. Otherwise, I'm not going to admit you in the next lecture. Tomorrow's lecture, Angelina, Riya Singh, Siddhi, Saurabh, Rudra Tiwari, Sarvajna, Kuwal, Simran, Yuvan, Savi, Harshita, Manasvi, Vidisha. Come on, stop. Stop. Now hold your cameras. Stop. Now whatever you have finished, enough. Now hold your cameras. मुझे वो प्लेन सरफेस पे रखो बेटा. आकांक्षा, ऐसे होल्ड नहीं करना है. प्लेन सरफेस पे रखो, ग्राउंड पे रखो एंड होल्ड योर कैमरा ऑन इट. आपका कैमरा उसके ऊपर ऐसे पकड़ो. आई होप यू आर ऑन द पीसी. करेक्ट, करेक्ट. सो होल्ड इट, होल्ड इट. सामने अच्छे से पकड़ो बेटा. ओके, ओके. सो तनिषा, कैन यू प्लीज? Okay, next. Pawan, I am not able to see yours. Ujjaini, Pratiti, Riddhi, what I said? Hold your camera on the back camera. आपका कैमरा का बैक कैमरा करो and hold it on your activity. एक्टिविटी के ऊपर धरो, पकड़ो उसे. Good, Prince, very good. Pawan, still I am not able to see yours.